6 new ways to eat dinner leftovers for breakfast. Sick of scrambled eggs and cereal? We hear you. That's why it's time to rethink breakfast and harness the power of your leftovers. Don't worry, we're not going to tell you to down a chicken thigh at 7 a.m., chase it with some coffee, and be on your merry way. Instead, see how making just a few tweaks and additions to last night's dinner can result in the most delicious, nutritious, and filling morning meals you've ever tasted. Leftover brown rice, quinoa, or another whole grain. Make a sweet or savory grain bowl. For sweet, warm leftover rice, or whatever grain you have on hand, in the microwave or on the stove top with milk and top with chopped nuts, dried or fresh fruit, cinnamon, and a drizzle of maple syrup or honey. For savory, warm leftover rice and top with beans, salsa, diced avocado, and a runny fried egg. Here are some great recipes to try. Leftover tortillas, guac, and veggies from Mexican night? Make a breakfast pizza, spread leftover guacamole on a tortilla, top with sliced veggies and shredded cheese, and meat, if you have it, and broil until tortilla edges are crispy and cheese is nice and melty. Leftover mashed or baked sweet potato? Make a smoothie. In a blender, combine leftover sweet potato, 1 to 2 tablespoons almond butter, 1 cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and maple syrup to taste. Blend until smooth. Or try a bacon and egg baked sweet potato. Leftover chicken or steak? Make a breakfast hash, dice up leftover meat along with whatever veggies you have on hand, peppers, onions, carrots, and leftover roasted sweet potato are all good picks. Add ingredients to a hot, well-oiled skillet and sauté until veggies are tender. Eat as is or top with a fried egg. Leftover roasted, or any, veggies? Make veggie-loaded egg muffins, chop veggies into small pieces and evenly distribute among the cups of a muffin tin, filling the cups about halfway. Whisk eggs and pour over veggies until muffin cups are nearly full. Bake at 350 F for about 15 minutes, or until tops are firm to the touch. Here are 10 more ways to eat more veggies at breakfast. Leftover salad greens? Make a breakfast salad, toss leftover salad greens with oil and vinegar, top with a poached or fried egg, and sprinkle with crispy chopped bacon.